Imagine arriving deep in the Brazilian landscape, in the El Dorado neighborhood of Alto Paraíso de Goiás, where the wild Cerrado vegetation still holds sway just beyond the urban fringe. Here, Brazilian architect Alan Chu conceived a house that feels less like a building and more like a lens on the environment, almost as if the earth itself has grown a frame to view its own sunrise. This is Monocle House, a compact retreat raised 5 meters off the ground, nestled amidst nature yet designed with a clear architectural intention. The first thing that strikes you isn't the interior, but the silhouette, a striking trapezoidal form supported by 12 slender metal pillars. Suspended above the ground, the house appears to hover, minimizing disturbance to the land beneath and preserving the original topography and vegetation. This lifting gesture gives visitors a unique vantage point, not merely overlooking the landscape, but elevating it into an experience. The very name Monocle House reflects its conceptual core. Much like those old photographic monoculars used to view images with intensified light and focus, the home's geometry plays with scale and proportion to shape how you see the world around you. The narrower side of the trapezoid functions metaphorically like a lens. The wider end opens up to the environment, inviting light and landscape to flood into the space. The path to the house is deliberately choreographed. A winding staircase rises through the canopy toward the access deck, a slow ascent that heightens anticipation. At the top, you step onto a platform under a generous 3-meter ceiling, circling an internal core that houses all of the home's functional infrastructure. This tension builds until you reach the dramatic opening, a 6.5 by 4.3-meter void that doesn't merely frame the view, but lets it pour into the architecture and envelop your senses. The interior itself remains compact, roughly 40 square meters, a thoughtful contrast to the vastness outside. Adjacent to it sits an outdoor deck of similar scale, extending living space into the landscape. This deliberate compression intensifies every glance outward, making each view feel significant. The combination of steel and wood materials reinforces a restrained palette that celebrates texture and context rather than ornamentation. Ultimately, Monocle House challenges us to think about how architecture mediates experience. It's not just a structure to inhabit. It's a lens to shift your attention, a threshold between earth and sky, enclosure and openness. By suspending the home above the ground and opening it wide to the panorama, Alan Chu invites us to dwell not within walls, but within the moment of being present with nature.